This instructional video will demonstrate the proper procedure for conducting your lead detecting biosensor tests using water samples collected by your qualified surveyor. All right, let's verify the contents of your test. We have 2 water sample droppers, 2 test strips, 2 mixing tools, 1 bottle of running buffer, 2 test tubes, and 1 test tube holder. Separate the tools since you're going to do 2 tests, one right after another. This side will be for test number 1, and this side will be for test number 2. You're going to use the same running buffer bottle for both tests. Make sure you keep the samples separate to avoid cross-contamination. For this test, you will have someone from our lab who collects the water for you. You're going to be conducting 2 tests using 2 different samples. So let's get started. Let's start with test number 1. Uncap the test tube and place it in the test tube holder. Take your sample dropper and pull up some water. It's important to only add 1 single drop of water to the test tube. You can make a practice drop on the side if you want to make sure that you're doing it right. Now, grab your blue mixing tool, pointy side down. You're going to mix 15 times by plunging up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now set the mixing tool aside. You're going to use it again later. Make sure to keep it on the side with test number 1's tools. Now recap your test tube. So now we're going to do test number 2. The same way. Open your test tube and place it in the test tube holder. Take your dropper and pull up some water. Add only 1 single drop to the test tube. Grab your blue mixing tool, pointy side down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now set it aside for later use with the other test number 2 supplies. Recap your test tube. And now we wait 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, uncap the test tube of test number 1. Now uncap the running buffer. You're going to put exactly 7 drops of buffer into the test tube. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now grab that same blue mixing tool for test number 1 and plunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Put it back into the test tube holder and insert test strip number 1 with the green end down. Go straight in. Don't jam it in there, just place it straight in. Now, we're going to do the same thing with test number 2. We're going to add 7 drops of buffer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, with your blue mixing tool from test number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Insert the test strip number 2 with the green end down right into the test tube. Place it back into the test tube holder, and now we wait 10 minutes. Now it's time to interpret the results. Look at your test strip, green side down. We will be comparing the darkness of the red bands on each test strip. Let's look at some examples to help you determine your results. On this first test strip, you'll notice the bottom line is lighter than the top line. This means that the test predicts that there is less than 5 parts per billion lead in your water sample. Let's look at another one. In this test strip, the bottom line is as dark as the top line. This means the test predicts that there is more than 5 parts per billion lead in your water sample. In this test strip, you'll notice the bottom line is darker than the top line. This also means the test predicts that there is more than 5 parts per billion lead in your water sample. So let's review. A lighter bottom line predicts less than 5 parts per billion. A bottom line as dark as the top line predicts more than 5 parts per billion. And a darker bottom line also predicts more than 5 parts per billion. What does your test strip predict about your water?